Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's make a very easy and delicious bread. 2.5 cups of flour. 1 cup is 200 milliliters. Let's make a well in the middle of the flour. 1 cup of water. Half teaspoon of salt. And let's mix. Let's start kneading the dough. Let's knead the dough thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes until it is smooth. Let's place the dough on the table. Let's divide the dough into 2. Let's make 2 dough balls. Let's cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, let's roll out the dough ball with a rolling pin, 10 to 15 centimeters. Let's mix 50 grams of melted butter and 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. Let's put 1 tablespoon of the oil mixture in a bowl and let's put the dough on. Let's spread oil mixture on the dough. Let's roll out the second ball of dough with a rolling pin. Let's put the second fillow on top of the first fillow. Apply oil mixture as shown in the video. Cover it and let it rest for 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, apply oil on the table. Let's roll out the oily dough with our hands as in the video. And let's fold it as in the video. Let's put the folded dough on the preheated pan. Let it cook, turning frequently until the top and bottom are golden brown by spreading oil mixture. Bread looks so delicious. Let's roll out the other dough by hand in the same way. And cook it in the same way in the pan. Everyone will love it. And now, testing time. Tasting time. If you like my recipe, I would be very happy if you liked the video and commented. Thanks for watching.